What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive on a 1971 Chevelle. This car here has a believed to be 350 under the hood with power steering, front disc brakes. I just walked around it, did a detailed description video. Check that out. You can check it out in the last 30 seconds of this one, or type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post test drive videos and walk-arounds of the entire car lot. We sell classic American muscle cars. You can also hit up maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. All of our inventory is located on that site and is up to date every Monday. If you don't see the car on there, it's not available. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, go look around the interior on this car. They did a pretty good job. Interior looks nice. It's all cloth, uniform, nice and clean. We'll go ahead and start it up. Starts up nice and easy. We've got the engine warm. Oil pressure's reading about 30, going down to about 15. Radio's not cutting on. The heat should work. It's blowing. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty warm. So we got some heat for the winter. Windshield wipers needs a switch right here. You see how it's just hanging, but look, it's working. Kind of got it crammed up in there right now. It just needs a new switch to be mounted. Showing 34,000 miles. Can't stand behind there. And don't place your bets on the horn yet. See if it works. No horn on this one, but the dash does have some cracks in it. Big old crack going down through here. They make covers for that. All right, let's take off. Getting ready to take off down the road now. Make sure I get these visors out of your way. I feel like that one's gonna bounce down on you or something. Cram her up in there. There we go. Anything that I see that you may need to know about, I will point out. I do this so you know exactly what you're coming to buy before you get here. Lots of people come from out of state, and I don't want any surprises. So that's why we do both of these videos, give y'all all the detailed pictures. Then we'll talk to you about the car. All right. Get down this rough old road here. Speedometer's coming up, seems to be shifting out pretty good. Car is pulling to the right. I think it was actually the road. We're going straight as an arrow now. I've been having problems with that for the last 2 days with this road where they ground it down. The steering's super tight. I mean, as soon as I turn, it turns. Our kick down's not hooked up. Gas gauge is floating around as it should. Speedometer looks pretty good. All right, we're back on some smooth road now. I can really tell. Still kind of pulling to the right, just a little bit here. Turn signals are popping up on the dash on both sides. Pulled her down into first. She's got plenty of power. Feels pretty good. Not a big block, but it'll get you out trouble, that's for sure. All right, we're gonna pull up in this parking lot here. We're gonna do some outside shots. You know what time it is. We're gonna put the camera out here, drive over it with a slow-mo, go by it as fast as I can in a short period of time, try to make it look cool. All right, guys, look below in the description to see all of my gear Have everything listed down there. Well, the Amazon links. Motor seems to be strong. Oil pressure's a little bit low. When you rev it up, it'll jump up to 30, but it looks like it's sitting around 10 right now. Okay, got y'all back in the ride here. Engine temp still at 190, oil pressure still at the same. Go ahead and we'll just put her in drive. How about that? Let her shift out with a heavy foot. The brakes feel pretty good on this one too. You can get on them real good for you. On that road with a speed bump, you can listen for rattles and shakes. Usually pretty good spot to test the suspension. This suspension's nice, so probably not even gonna notice. Something like a lowered street rod, yeah, it'll throw me through the ceiling. Here we come. Speed bump's right here. Nice and smooth, nice and quiet. Good suspension. Guys, all week I've been talking about the pavement. Look, they've got 3 lanes done, but what's funny is it stops before it even hits the car lot, so we're picking up all the dust. You'll see what I'm talking about right here. It's just like, oh yeah, we're gonna stop right here in front of the lot. So we're getting all this dust. We're having to wash them twice a day. It bothers the crap out of me because I used to be the detail guy here. That my cars are dirty. I'm like, man, no good, no good. I hope y'all enjoyed this test drive. I got plenty to do today, so I'm gonna jump on some more of them. Go ahead, watch that walk around video, and after this test drive, you'll pretty much know what this car's about. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button.
Definitely check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. We got all of our inventory located on there with about 100 detailed pictures of each car. Walk around video pointing out the flaws in the paint job, checking the trunk out, give you some undercarriage shots. That's also located here on YouTube. Wait till the last 30 seconds of this video. I'll link them up together. You'll see this car. Click on it and you'll know everything about it. Guys, I got a little music channel. You'll see it at the very end of this video as well. Southgate Production. If you want to go join that. I appreciate y'all watching. Definitely hit up our Facebook, our Instagram, and our Snapchat. This guy wants to talk about TikTok all the time, so go over there, check TikTok out. Y'all have a good one.